Alright guys, look, I found something. I found wait, where are we? Oh yeah, I forgot. Oh yeah, here. I found this little baby villager, and it seems like he's lost. Baby villager. You know me? You know me? I was the cleaner of this village. Where's your mom? I can give you this emerald if you tell me where's your mom.
My mom I was alone. I was finding my mom.
Where's that? Oh my, guys, there's a Enderman. Where the hell is that? Where the hell is that creature? Come here, you camel. Come here. Let's get out, or let's find that Enderman. Okay. Wait, we have to clean this. We have to clean this villager for them because I love villagers, you know. But this little baby villager is still lost. He's finding his mom. No, that's kind of sad. I'm. Don't worry, I'm not a stranger. Okay, he's angry. He's angry. Come back off, back off, back off. Okay, he's not that angry though. Okay, let's go. I'm still here, baby villager. I know you need help. Okay, I know. Look at this emerald. Check this out. Come on, dude. I know it's hard. Losing your mom. Losing. I'm sorry. It's just my Filipino accent. Okay. Come on. Okay, let's leave him. I think he's angry. Because we're like, yeah. Let's check out this bird. I'm hungry. Delicious. Okay, now, where the hell are we? Okay, we got it. Let's go there. Let's help the villagers to clean up. Yes. Oh my god, hello guys, what's up? Okay, wait. Their farm? Okay, it's getting late now, you know. You need to sleep though, my camel. Yes. That's right. Let's go. I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, there's one bed. I have a bed. Let's go. Okay, now I have to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Let's go. Nighty nights.